As the governor has now taken over the rule of BTAD and he has appointed an administrator, and I have been given the charge as principal secretary of the council. So the mandate that has been given to us is that during the interim period till the time elections are held, we have to carry on administration as per provisions of law. Aru he hisabe ami prothom kaam to korilu. We had an interaction with the various council heads jikhini ase departmentor logot ami interaction korilu, and DC SP sabor logot ami interaction korilu to understand the priorities jikhini ase aru kot amar kamor goti ki ase kot ami jabo lage. All these things we wanted to understand. So we had an interaction and we clearly spelled out that during this period we want very good administration for the people, so that the administration is approachable to the people. Everyone feels safe and everyone wants to has confidence over the administration.
And then you have reviewed all the departments.
The first priority naturally is COVID preparation. So we had a detailed discussion with the health department, council authorities, DC, police, so that COVID preparations are up to the mark. Till now, the BTC has done very well because there is not a single case. If you see, as an autonomous council, probably this would be the only council in the entire country where you do not have a single case, which is a big achievement. But we need to maintain this momentum that we have, because with the opening up of after this opens up, there is a chance that some people would be transiting through Pokrajhar and BTC. So we have to make adequate preparations that going ahead also there is no problem owing to COVID. So first priority is COVID. Tar bahire amar priority ase because almost 80% of the people are kheti hok ase. So agriculture is a major priority, so that agriculture works are done. Agriculture jikhini kheti hok ase te loke kono problem face no kore on account of availability of fund, seeds, beleg bostu tu. So these are two things that we are focusing. Apart from this, all other departments jo tamar central scheme soliya say, because code of conduct or time to jikhini ongoing schemes ase, they can continue. So we do not want any scheme which is ongoing central government scheme to stop. It should continue, and it should continue in the manner it is supposed to continue. So eneko ami eta kori department wise all review korisu, and next week we will have department wise detailed review. Aji ami primary review to korilu. In bostu ase you can discuss with me or administrator sir. I will be available here. Aru mane COVID all fight korote, especially apna lokor role has been excellent. Media has played a great role in COVID containment. Aru BTC time mane I expect that apna lokor full cooperation ami pam COVID ot aru baki khetrot.
Any development amar
will share. We will share. We will work very transparently. So amar lokabo laga ekku nahi apna lokor.
Sir, sir, you please mobile number again.
To ase whether money continue Kuribon Nai, that call will be taken by the State Election Commission. So I am not the appropriate authority to comment on that.
Any more aspects from the continuity?
Aspects money hetu hai that we will try to work so that every organ of administration, be it DC's establishment, be it council, be it police authorities, forest, gutekhini ekke loge kaam kore, and the administration works for everyone, so that everyone feels that this is their administration. That is our mandate, that we work neutrally, transparently, and in the benefit of everyone.
So were there any anomalies, sir? Have you found anomalies in the...
I've just come today, so it is very difficult to say. Anomalies I have not seen. It is just simple Ami Etia Herikori. So going ahead, when we take detailed reviews, when field visits are done, if anything is found, we'll let you know.
Sir, BTC administrator মানে রিটায়ার্ড পারসন কাম করিবা লগা হয়েছে তার বিষয়ে আপনি কি হোটেল কি করিব স্যার?
Administrator মানে administrator to present administrator.
Retired person working in the year who are retired from their
Okay, understood. So jikhini mane retired person kam kori as under what circumstances were they appointed or not, that I am not aware of. I'll have to go into the details. So in case they are doing a good job, they can continue if the law so permits. in case they are not doing a good job, june bhal kaam no kore, he will have to go. Be it retired person or serving person, if someone is not able to live up to the role that he is supposed to live, we'll give him a chance, but still if he does not perform, then he will have to make way for someone else who can perform.